The vigil say officers didn't have to kill him. Vancouver police say they tried to take the suspect into custody after reports of a man stabbing people at Gore and Hastings streets. When the man allegedly attacked a woman, an officer shot and killed him.
The police, they should shoot the leg and then they need the justice to do their job. Right now we don't know, we don't have a justice. We don't know what happened because the person has been killed by the police and the police is not saving the justice, not saving the justice, not saving all those people has been stabbed.
And we're going to light the candle. It's one of our brothers. And the police shoot, if you see that video, police shoot to kill. Police shoot at his head and in the chest as well. They're supposed to shoot him in his leg and then the police killed him. The police has no right to kill anyone. They take the criminals to justice. Right now the justice has not been served. So we are here to remember the soul of our brother, a Somali young man, African, who came here in promises that he's going to have a better life in Canada. We came here in the promise of the government of Canada that we are going to have a better life. And that promise has been a dream, has not been achieved. We don't have a center who dealing with our issues. Everywhere we go, the service providers don't providing the services we need, what we should do. And as the people say us, let's go back where we come from. How are we going to come from? Why we go back where we come from, where everybody is from somewhere else? So that's what we're going to do today. Just to remember that a struggle of a black man, one has been killed today by the police, the Vancouver police. Tomorrow is myself. Tomorrow is my son. Next day is you. And you see all black people, they say, I don't care. But if you don't care what life matters for you, tomorrow is you.
African community who organized the vigil say officers didn't have to kill him. Vancouver police say they tried to take the suspect into custody after reports of a man stabbing people at Gore and Hastings streets. When the man allegedly attacked a woman, an officer shot and killed him.
The police, they should shoot the leg and then they need the justice to do their job. Right now we don't know, we don't have a justice. We don't know what happened because the person has been killed by the police and the police is not saving the justice, not saving the justice, not saving all those people has been stabbed.
This man was not on a rampage. He was not running around. He was killed in that hole and he was scared and he did not have, they were predatory when they killed him.
Emotions ran high last night at Gore and Hastings, where Abdi Hersey died last week. A vigil was held there for the 26-year-old following his funeral. Police say they were forced to shoot Hersey after he stabbed 3 people, but his family defended him, saying he himself was stabbed and he acted in self-defense.
I couldn't sleep. My son is very, very nice boy. Since he's born, he never make any trouble.
My brother was not an aggressor. He was not a person, he was a man of faith. He was not a person who harmed a fly. My brother wouldn't harm a fly.
Hersey's family says the Edmonton University graduate came to Vancouver on vacation. They're not sure why he was on the downtown east side. The family is upset. They haven't been able to speak to Vancouver police about the incident, which is now being investigated by BC's police watchdog.